What is creator music on YouTube? As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there was no specific feature or term called creator music on YouTube. However, YouTube provides various features and tools for creators to share and monetize their music. YouTube allows creators to upload their original music and create their own music channels or playlists. Creators can also join the YouTube Partner Program and monetize their music content through advertising, channel memberships, Super Chat, and merchandise shelf, among other options. Additionally, YouTube offers a Content ID system that helps creators protect their copyrighted music and manage its usage across the platform. YouTube has introduced a new feature or service called Creator Music. Now you can add or download any music from YouTube without any copyright issues. However, as of September 2021, there was no such specific term or feature associated with YouTube. I recommend checking the official YouTube documentation or exploring recent updates to learn about any new features or changes regarding creator music on YouTube. What is data stories on YouTube? As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there is no specific feature or term called data stories on YouTube that I am aware of. However, YouTube is a platform that hosts a wide range of content, including educational videos, data analysis tutorials, and channels dedicated to storytelling with data. Creators on YouTube often use data visualization techniques to present and analyze data in engaging and informative ways. They may explore various topics such as data science, statistics, data analysis, and data-driven storytelling. These channels typically offer insights, tutorials, case studies, and examples related to working with data and presenting it effectively. It's possible that since my knowledge cutoff, a specific channel or series called Data Stories has been launched on YouTube. If this is the case, I recommend searching for the channel or series directly on YouTube to explore its content and learn more about it. Expiring posts on YouTube. YouTube did not have a specific feature called expiring posts, like some other social media platforms. YouTube primarily focuses on long-term content hosting rather than ephemeral or temporary posts. But now you can see your expiring post after 75 hours. So this is the new feature that YouTube has launched recently. On YouTube, creators typically upload videos that remain available on their channels indefinitely, allowing viewers to access and watch them at any time. Videos on YouTube can accumulate views, likes, and comments over time, contributing to the overall growth and engagement of a creator's channel. However, it's worth noting that YouTube does offer the option for creators to schedule the release of their videos at a specific date and time. This allows creators to plan their content strategy and build anticipation for upcoming videos. Once a video is published, it remains accessible on the platform unless the creator chooses to delete it or make it private. It's important to note that YouTube frequently updates its features and introduces new functionalities, so it's possible that since my knowledge cutoff, YouTube has implemented some form of temporary or expiring posts. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information, I recommend visiting the official YouTube website or checking YouTube's official documentation for any recent updates regarding expiring posts or similar features. What is Tag and Pin Products on YouTube new feature? As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, YouTube did not have a specific feature called Tag and Pin Products. However, YouTube has been constantly evolving its features and introducing new functionalities, so it's possible that a new feature related to tagging and pinning products has been introduced since then. However, as of my knowledge cutoff, YouTube primarily focuses on video content rather than e-commerce or product tagging. While creators can mention and showcase products in their videos, YouTube does not have built-in features for directly tagging or pinning products within videos. If a new feature related to tagging and pinning products has been introduced on YouTube since my knowledge cutoff, I recommend visiting the official YouTube website or checking YouTube's official documentation for the most accurate and up-to-date information on this feature. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.